Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another unboxing and first look of a really nice knife that I got recently. This is the Kubey Wolverine or KU233C, and yes, so what I have to say, if you're looking around my videos, they will probably see my previous Kubey knife featured extensively in lots of my videos, and this is the Kubey Aries, which was the first Micarta scaled knife that they have on offer. So today here is the second one, the Wolverine. So like all previous Kubey knives that I had, they will come nicely and sealed. So this is another great way how to protect the knife, and you have not to use extensive amounts of oil like some companies do. So just put it in this bag, so a heavy duty bag, and seal it. So there are no moisture, nothing from outside will get into the knife, and the customer will get a fresh knife every time they open one from them. So great presentation and good thinking on their part. So let's open it up. Since I have a plethora of knives on my table, but I will choose, of course, Kubey Aries. Open a Kubey with a Kubey. So inside we have a really nice large silica gel packet, and here is the knife itself. As you can see, here is a nice contouring. Stainless steel, not deep carry pocket clip, and let's flip it out. So wow, I must say, like the Kubey Aries, perfect action, perfect flipping action, perfectly dialed in detent. So it's open up with really nice force. Has a really nice drop point blade with a full flat ground blade. But let's talk about the specifications. So like I mentioned, this is the model number KU233C. We have an overall length of 21.3 centimeters, that is 8.4 inches. The blade length is 9.1 centimeters or 3.6 inches. The handle length is 12.2 centimeters or 4.8 inches. The blade width is 2.8 centimeters or 1.1 inch. The blade thickness, the blade thickness is 0.3 millimeters or 0.14 inches. Materials wise, we have a satin finish D2 blade. We have 420 J2 stainless steel liners and pocket clip. Let me see if there are milling. So there is one large milling on the one side and also on the other side. So there are weight reduction millings inside. We have a JG10 backspacer, so partial backspacer right there, and we have also a plate cover for the right and left hand option for mounting your pocket clip. So all your lefties rejoice, this design is also for you. I really would love to see more companies doing this, because previously the Aries had no option to mount the pocket clip. So centering is perfect. Let me check out the sharpness. The sharpness perfect out of the box, really nice and sharp. Lock up nice and early. So perfectly, locking up very nicely. Yeah, it rides on a ceramic KVT ball bearing washer, so no additional lubrication is necessary out of the box. Yeah, perfectly smooth. The sharpening choil looks like a finger choil, but I would be really hesitant to use it that way, just to not cut yourself, so please be aware. Maybe if you have small fingers, then you could do it, but it is not intended, probably not intended to be used as a finger choil. Okay, so another step up, in my opinion, from the Aries is also the blade finish. Not only to say that the Aries had only OS 10, they stepped up the blade steel to D2, but also the satin finish is a little bit better for corrosion resistance than your just standard bead blasted finish, just in my opinion. But yeah, if you are getting closer to the mirror or heavy acid stonewash finish, then those two are probably the best to have to protect your blade from corrosion. Now on the blade we have the Kubey logo laser engraved. That gives that so brown hue to it, and we have D2 marked here. So the weight comes at 120.3 grams or 4.24 ounces. Now to this point everything is in my opinion, in my book, perfect. But when I saw this knife, it did see a little bit similar to a let's say previous design on another company. So let me bring out my tablet here and share my opinion. Of course, this is nothing that is confirmed, because Kubey does not list the designer on this one, but the Tucson TS107, which is sadly not longer in production, looks really similar to this design. Yes, this one had two finger choils or finger choils and a cutout on the top part here. If you can see, there's definitely place for that, and yeah, here is only one large. So they definitely changed. This one had a glass breaker on it, no lanyard hole. So definitely, I would say they changed it around 30% to not to be the same. But the TS107 is designed by Mr. Wong from Wong Design, so I did contact him, and he told me that he never collaborated with Kubey, so he does not know about this knife and this design. So yeah, I don't know if that was only a coincidence, but it is up to everybody. In my opinion, this knife looks beautiful, has all the boxes checked for me. So Micarta, a good decent steel, nice flipping action. I forgot to show you the pocket profile, so let's continue with that. So yes, if this knife, if I would change something about this knife, then probably I will give it let's say a deep carry pocket clip like this Sivo or Tuna Fire knife has, or even if I could choose myself, then definitely I would go with the wire clip. Deep carry wire clip is one of the best, has no sharp corners, so it will definitely be better for your pocket. But on this one, they did go with a standard pocket clip, so this is how much it will stick out. Definitely you have enough space to grab the knife, so for that design feature, it is good. Also probably I would go with something like a stone wash, not completely polishing, because this will scream out of your pocket that there is a knife because of the mirror polishing. And of course, like I mentioned, this knife screams to be used as ADC knife, so definitely I would go with either with a heavy stone wash or black wash, acid black wash. But anyway, beautiful knife, feels really great in the hand. So now let's see a few size comparisons. So where is Ares? Here's the Kubey Ares. Kubey Ares is they look the same size. Maybe Kubey Ares is a little bit smaller, but maybe 1 or 2 millimeters, so nothing major. I also like the contrast between the darker polished micarta and the lighter natural canvas micarta. Okay, so let's continue. Here is the CVV Elementum. The 956 from Kesivo or Tuna Fire or Free Tiger, whatever you want to call it. I have a few videos about these new budget micarta D2 offerings on my channel, so if you like, you can go check them out. Then let's continue with QSP, another great company. This is the Pelican. A few minutes before mentioned wire pocket clip, natural canvas micarta from Giant Mouse Ace Grand. Another great option, D2 and micarta from Tua Knives, the model Cebu. Let's bring out my Strider SNG with my linen micarta scales. Okay, Spyderco Endura, model Red 1, so Ontario Red 1. Spyderco Delica, Buck Sprint Pro, my Chinese micarta scaled large Griptilian, just because I have to, my Rough Rider Peanut, Kershaw Blur, the 111 from Tucson Knives, Kaiser Pinch, also in micarta, and here is the K-Bar Dozier, great lightweight EDC folding hunter. Okay, so let's conclude this video. So if you are looking for a really nice, excellent fit and finish, quality wise made larger knife from for around $50, then definitely I suggest check out the Kubey Wolverine. They have also few other G10 variants. This one has to be in Micarta. There is only one version of Micarta. This I would say something between brown or maybe green or olive. I don't know. It plays with the colors, you can see there. Almost something like the Bonfire from Boker, but there you see that this is more on the brown side. In lots of pictures, it's probably color graded, but it's more brown than green. But then, of course, if I compare it with the Aries, then this is definitely brown. But it is what it is. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this knife or anything else, then please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. Also, if you have any suggestions regarding my channel or knives, you want to see something that I have previously shown in my channel, just let me know. I'm more than happy to maybe produce a video for you and share my opinions about the topic here. And also, if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also my other hobbies like, let's say, watches and Warhammer and books and electronics and so on. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.